Welcome to our channel. My name is Nikita from BSP Solution. In today's video, I'll explain about how we can create user account in Oracle HCM. So let's move on to the application. So I'll log in here as a system administrator because only system administrator has privilege to create user account. So top left of the page, click on navigation option, then find the tools and then click on security console option. So we use the security console to manage application security in Oracle HCM application. You can do tasks related to role management, role analysis, user account management, and certificate management. So go to the user and top right of the page, click on user account option. From here, you can create the user, fill the mandatory information, fill the name, last name. When you fill the name and last name, system automatically populated your username. Then fill the password, confirm the password, and assign the role to this user. Click on add role option. I assign here HR related roles. Don't select the copy roles because it doesn't have privilege. Select the role and then click on add role membership. So select another role. Then click on add role membership option and I select here one more role. So you can select here multiple roles here for your user. Then click on done. Then click on save and close option. From here, you can search for the user you recently created. From here, you can select the filter. I select here last name and search by user for his last name. So you can see here the user we just created. So this is how you can create user and assign the role to your user. I hope it is clear to you. Thank you so much for watching.